Whether you are fixing for the first time or replacing an existing one, decides the kitchen faucet installation. Compared to replacing an existing faucet, fixing a new one is much easier. When installing for the first time, one can fix the faucet before fixing the sink. In the other scenario of replacement, one has to go through the trouble of working under sink, over supply lines. While basin wrench is easy to work with, it is easier to remove kitchen sinks comparatively. Post-installation, remove the aerator and flush out any clogged particles away immediately. You need to take care of any equipment including the kitchen faucet if you want them to last for a longer period. Similar to other metals, this would also need regular polishing and cleaning to look good. Leaving the stains could hasten the process of rusting, which would make your faucet look older in a very short period of time. Ensure that any leak is attended to very soon, as it would not only help in enhancing the appearance of the faucet but would also save water which might be wasted if the leak is not repaired. Another distinguishing factor is the material with which the kitchen faucets are made of. The stainless steel and the chrome are the most famous of the available ones. The shine of these materials when polished and the look they maintain could be reason for this popularity. For people who want a traditional touch to their faucet, they can opt for the brass or nickel ones, which are given an antique polish. Hiring an accredited professional eliminates the frustration you would go through while you attempt to repair the plumbing yourself. Saving some money on a professional service is probably not worth it when you risk trying to do a job you are not skilled at. Call now, 250-575-8138.